Good evening and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I have an ASOS holiday evening try on haul and I can't wait to show you all the pieces that I picked up. So without further ado, let's start today's video. Okay, so I have to show you this piece first because I am obsessed with the pattern. Here is the ASOS design fold over bandeau midi dress. I got this in a UK 6 and it was £58, which I do think is very reasonable for this dress. It does feel of really premium quality material. It's got a little bit of like a linen blend feel to it, so I think it's going to be very lightweight and breathable, perfect for summer holidays. It's a gorgeous design and then also style of dress. It has got the rubberized strip going across the top just to help support and keep this dress up with it being a bandeau style. But let's try it on and see what we think when it's on. Okay, so here is the dress on, and I honestly don't know how some people don't like these sort of patterns. I just think they look so classy on and they're very timeless. I am completely obsessed. It also is a fun outfit, but it's very flattering on too. So it does cinch you in at the waist, it's like very figure hugging, and then it does have some stitching around here where it flares out at the hips and gives you that gorgeous hourglass shape. So I'm really liking the shape of this one. Love the fold over detail at the top as well. And this dress has pockets, which is an absolute must for me. I love the fact it's included that. I did actually size down in this one and I'm really pleased that I did because this one is honestly fitting me like it's been made for me. So if you are stuck between two sizes, I probably would go with the smaller size. But yeah, really loving this one. And I'm not sure if we'll be able to beat it. Okay, so for my next item, we're going a little bit more simplistic, but still just as beautiful, because I picked out the Topshop A-line Cut Pro Backless mini dress. I got this in a UK size 8 and it was £45, so another really nice price. The material on this is so silky and soft, and you haven't seen the best bit yet. It is a barely there back and you will see that much better when it's on. It's got a little bow detail up here, which I do really like, but let's try it on and see what we think. Okay, so here is the next dress on, and this one is super minimal, but so classy and elegant. I really like this one, it fits really nicely, and I did go with my normal size, but look at that back detail. It's such an understated dress, but still one that is quite a statement on its own. You can obviously pair your jewellery and like a clutch and things just to dress it up a little bit more. But I really like this one. I'm loving the brown colours this year as well. I just think they're so classic, and again, another one that's very timeless. Okay, so we're going a little bit bold again next, but I just thought this looks so cute on the website. This is the ASOS design Cami strap with curly hem A-line mini dress. I got this in a UK size 8 and this one was £40. I did think this one was going to be cheaper, I'm not gonna lie. However, there's still lots of detail in this and I have high expectations. I really like the hem on this dress because it is quite structured, so it sort of is going to push the bottom of the dress out a little bit and allow the floaty material to hang really nicely. I'm also really liking the plaited detail at the top of the dress. I just think those little details create such a good effect for this one, but let's try it on and see what we think. Okay, so here is the dress on, and you will have to let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think to this dress, because this shape is something that I've never tried on before, and I really like it actually. What I love about this dress is all the textures in it. Like, because the material is like this ribbed, crinkled effect, we've obviously got the plait up here, and then the hem of the dress is a different texture also. It just pulls in really nicely together. You can wear this to so many different occasions. I do think it's probably going to be more of a holiday evening dress just because of the colour and things, but you can also wear it as a bandeau style if you want, so you can just tuck these straps in, but I do think it's cute with the straps. It fits really nicely and I would just recommend your normal size. Okay, so next up we have another one for the tonal girls because I picked out the ASOS Design Linen Racer Maxi Sundress. I got this in a UK size 6 and it was £36. So I have sized down in this one again, and I'll talk more about sizing when it's on. But this one is a really good price. It's actually slightly cheaper than the dress I'm wearing, and I do think it looks more expensive. I think especially when you've paired like your accessories and things, you can make this one look so premium. The material is in that linen blend type material, so it's really lightweight and breathable, great for holidays, and again, a gorgeous timeless colour. So let's try this one on and see what we think. Okay, so here is the dress on, and this one fits beautifully. It is worth noting that I don't have the biggest of busts, but if you are stuck between two sizes, I probably would recommend going with the smaller size. The material isn't that stretchy, but in this dress, I just think it hugs the body in all the right places, and it also allows the material to hang really nicely, as well as being really floaty. So this is the perfect holiday evening dress. It comes to a really nice length on the leg as well, and the colour is just so gorgeous. So yeah, this one for me is a 10 out of 10, highly recommend. And that leads us on to our final dress in today's video. This one I think is going to be quite hard to show you on the hanger, just because of how it is, but this one is the South Beach Silver Sequin Mini Beach Dress. I got this in a UK size 8 and it was £52. So at the moment for this dress, I think that's quite a reasonable price. It does look very high end. I'm loving those sequin details and the colour is stunning. But let's try it on to see what it really fits like. Okay, so here is the dress on, and I'm not gonna lie, I don't feel comfortable in this one. Maybe when I was a bit younger or was in my party girl era, which, let's be honest, I've never been in my party girl era. I've always been a bed at 9 sort of girl, but I do like dressing up, and I would have really liked this one probably when I was a little bit younger. It does fit nicely though. It comes to a nice length. It is a short dress. But yeah, you definitely need body tape with this one. Not going to talk loads about it just because, yeah, I'm really not feeling that comfortable in it. It has got a nice back detail though. Yeah, nothing else to say. So that does conclude my ASOS try on haul for today. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you all so much for your support, and if you haven't already, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It really helps for me to be able to keep getting this content out there for you, and it does really help my channel grow. So thank you all so much, and I will see you next video.